right, hi. This would be for the level 4s and level 3 Princeton. This is going to be Ainsley, Natasha, Audrey, Ariana, Liberty, Bethany, Madeline, Adeline, Emily, Christy, Carissa, McKenna, Brooke, Grace, Chloe, Paula, Olivia, Kenna, Lydia, Becky. All of you are going to do this. Now, if you are one of the littles, because you're a level 3, or Liberty, doing it with Bethany, then you're going to be sitting here. I'm going to be showing the level 4s first. Level 4s are going to be laying down on the ground like this, as though you're all sleeping. Now the dragging comes in, and you're going to roll over, and then you're kind of sitting up slow like that, and then you go, ah, like that on a hard note. So that's 1 is roll over and sit up, 2 is here. Then you're going to roll over to your little sleeping person, and you tap them, and you go, shh. So that's the count of 3. And then they go, ah, for 4. And so then you're just waiting. You're like, shh. And then from there, the littles will roll this way to give you a hug. And then you both pull up your feet like this. The littles would be right here. Level 4 will be facing towards the dragon, and the audience will be to their back. They're going to extend their right feet, lifting up to this position, and you just hold that for a minute. So that would be your 8 counts. So again, your 8 counts for level 4 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's when the dragon does a big thing. And then 7, 8. Let me amend one thing. Apologies. So you're going to be hugging the girls, and then let's have you both go to fall like this. This is called the Don't Hurt Me move. So you go here, and then your knees are already ready to go. Okay? One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now the littles in this same video, the littles are right here. They're on the floor too. They go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then they go 5. They pull their knees over, and they go 5, and then 6, and then put knees together, 7, 8. Thanks, girls.